Alright, so this is how you're going to make your own song. So in the app GarageBand, there are a bunch of different instruments you can choose from. There are different types of instruments. You can use their own instruments, or you can also record your own instruments that you have at home. You see, there's a bunch of different types of things. You can click on Sound Library, and there are a bunch of different free types of music you can do. There's also a keyboard, drums, amp where you could play bass and guitar. There's an audio recorder which you could use to do voice, strings, bass, guitar, world, which is different instruments that are from around the world, which are not necessarily from where you are from. There's a drummer where you can make your own beats. So we are going to go to the audio recorder and click on the voice, just like that. Alright, so you see in the top left corner there are, by the time and the date underneath Monday, there are a bunch of little shapes there. So you're going to click that button and it will bring you to here. Now click the loop right up by the red screen recording button at the top of the screen. There is a loop there, so you're going to click on that. And there are a bunch of different audio that you can add in that iMovie already has. Bunch of different audio, bunch of different styles and genre. I think I'm going to add that one in, so I'm going to hold it and drag it in to the recording. Now I think I want to add some drums to make it super nice and super jazzy, so I like that one. Let's put that one in. There we go. Now I'm going to drag it there because I don't want it to start at the beginning. I want it to come in a little bit later. So this is how it sounds so far. Okay, so you see that plus button at the top? You're going to click that and hit add to add more measures into your song, because otherwise your song is going to be very short. Now it depends on how long you want your song and how many bars you're going to add. So once you add all your bars, hit all sections, and that will give you all of the sections. So we're going to expand the clips a little bit longer. So I'm just going to cut them by dragging on the yellow line to make them a little bit shorter or a little bit longer. It depends on really where I really want them to be. Alright, I'm going to add in some more sounds by clicking the loop button. There's a bunch of different things, so I don't know what I'm going to add. Maybe this, we'll add that in. Alright, so I'm just going to drag that in and put it where I want it to be in the audio. Alright, I'm going to add in another one. Let's add this one in. So we're going to drag it and drop it in. No, I'm just playing here. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do. I had a little vision in my mind of it being like a nice day outside, like, you know, with the violin, really nice and really pretty, and then all of a sudden a just robotic monster apocalypse just happens, and then I think I'm gonna have the monsters and robotics like fade down a little bit, so I'm just gonna add in some more of the monster and robotic parts, and once it fades down, it's going to go back to the violin from being super bad day outside to a nice day. Alright, so I'm just going to do a little bit more editing, cleaning things up here and there, and you can go to the next video to see the finished product of the song that I created.